Hello and welcome back to Automotive Solutions. Today I've got a Ford Focus with no working air conditioning, just warm air coming out of the vents. It's a 2013 Mark III with a 1.6 petrol engine. So I'm going to do some basic tests, see if I can find a leak if it's got one, repair it and regas it. So keep watching and see how we get on. Okay, pop the gauges on it. And as you can see from that, there's no pressure in the system whatsoever. So I'm going to give it a pressure test with some nitrogen, look it over and see if I can see any leaks. Put it under just over 7 bar pressure nitrogen to see if it holds. And while it's under pressure, I normally look over the suspect areas, which is normally the condenser at the front is the most prone. So no obvious stain marks on it, but plenty of corroded fins, minor impact damage from stones. I'll give that a spray and see what comes up from there. Give it a general coat with some bubbly water. Oh, and there we go. We have a leak. Can you see that bubbling away on the left hand side? So yeah, we got a leak on the condenser. I'll check over the other components, see if there's any oil staining, give it a little spray. And if there's nothing else, change out the condenser. Right, now we've got the under tray off. We're exposed to the condenser, and on the Mark II Focuses you had to undo this support bracket, and these ones have got a little bit more plastic in the way, so I'll get rid of some of that plastic out of the way first, like these panels here, and then this is an automatic, so it's got a presume a transmission cooler, which is this. Move that out of the way and then try and separate the condenser from the radiator and the support bracket. So this bit of plastic, get some light in here, is here. Just unclips from a couple of places and get it out from under the bumper. No doubt there's a similar one here. Try and get some light on there. Yeah, that one there. It unclips and pushes away, and they go back underneath. So these plastic pieces either side have also got a clip in there which you have to squeeze, and then it will lift out with a little bit of effort, like so. Whoa. one there. That's that one out. Now that's out. There's nothing really around the condenser. It will have to come out the bottom, so it's going to be a bit tricky with that power steering there, but hopefully we can jiggle it past it. So I've just undone the two fittings behind the driver's headlight for the high and low connections on the condenser. So the bolts holding the radiator frame, two of them are, where are we? Two of them are up above this connector, so I've just got to take this connector off and then undo two bolts this side, two bolts the other side, lower it down, and we'll see if we can get it out without undoing the bolts fully. So there's one at the bottom and one at the top. And that's it, unclipped. It should be a question of just leaning it forward, lift it up over the power steering pipe, there we go, we're out. One condenser. So in here, the bottom of the condenser sits in that little bracket there, and a bracket there. Up the top sits in that clip, and the one I showed you earlier up the top there. And I've just conveniently managed to tuck the power steering cooler pipe just behind the rad, just enough for it to clear the condenser, to clear it. Clean all this off on the radiator, and we'll get our new condenser ready. So the reverse, the installation is going to be pretty much the reverse, really. Just fiddling with clips and brackets, really. So just finishing up on the Ford. Condensers in, all regassed, all good. Outside temperature 26, and coming out of the vents we got just over 3 degrees, so all working nice. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll be making some more videos pretty soon, so please click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.